welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video I have for you guys is a Primark haul. I have accumulated quite a few bits from Primark, so I thought it was only fair to film a Primark haul for you guys since it's been a hot minute. I feel like the last time I filmed a Primark haul was a good couple of months ago, so I have accumulated quite a few bits and I'm so excited to show you guys some of the stuff I picked up. And I picked up 2 full bags of Primark stuff to show you guys. They are spring like inspired, some are just kind of casual, like some are like just staple pieces, so there's quite a few different things. If you guys want to see what I picked up from Primark, then keep on watching. So the first thing I got is this. I bought this like a week ago or so, or maybe 2 weeks. This is like a fanny pack, as Americans would call it, or like just a waist bag that's so in at the moment. Everyone's pretty much rocking these kind of waistband kind of bags. It's so good actually when you're out and about, like especially in town, to have one of these just to pop around instead of like your full-on bag, because it's secure, it's closed up, it's on you, it's very secure in that sense. So yeah, I really like this. They had different colors too. They had this in a white, and I want to say a cream, or was it a pink, I'm not too sure. Anyways, I thought I'd get it in a red because I can be quite messy, so I don't want to like ruin my bag if I got a white. So yeah, I got this, and this was only £8. So. Right, moving on, I picked up some PJs. By the way guys, this is in such a random order. The stuff I'm going to show you are just kind of just random stuff put together. Yeah, so I picked up these pajamas because I feel like you never have enough pajamas in your cupboard. I swear to God, I have so many Primark PJs, it's crazy. Yeah, so I picked up these. I love the kind of like cotton slash thin material that it is. So yeah, I picked up these. I got these in a small, and they're more of a relaxed fit leg. So yeah, I don't know, I love little tassely bits here, and it's just such a lovely looking PJ. So the next thing I picked up is this bag. This is a black leather bag, and it has like these kind of silver kind of studs at the bottom, and it looks really nice. Black is so me, so I thought I'd pick up another black bag. You just can't go wrong with these. They're just so easy to pop around if you're just doing your errands and stuff like that. And leather is such a good thing to get because you can just wash it off if it's dirty, and it's just a very spacious bag, and it's stylish. It just reminds me of one of the Zara bags. I don't know, it's definitely Zara inspired, that's for sure. And this was only £8 from Primark, so it's cute, so I thought I'd get it. Right, so the next item I got is a skirt. Yes, I haven't worn a skirt in a very long time, so I thought I would pick up this skirt because this is definitely spring slash holiday. It's giving me holiday vibes. I don't know, when I look at this, it's definitely giving me holiday vibes. I picked this up in a size 12. I don't know about the fit because obviously I haven't tried it on. I'm usually a size 10, but I thought I'd pick up a size 12 and then we'll see where we go from there. I just love the detail on it. I love the frills, and I love the white and blue stripes, and it's just, I don't know, it just looks like a very nice piece. It's gonna look really cute with like maybe Converse and stuff. I don't know. So the next item I picked up are these sliders, and I don't know about you guys, but it's definitely giving me the Puma vibes. It's definitely inspired by the Puma ones. They're really cute, and oh my god, this feels so soft. So yeah, I thought I'd pick this up. This was, I believe, like £8 as well. I got this in a size 4 because I'm usually a size 4.5, but size 4 fits perfectly fine. So yeah, I really like it, and it's black, so black will go with so many different looks. I definitely need to remember to do my nails, my toenails, before wearing these, because if my toenails are not looking cute, then honey, this ain't gonna look cute. Alright, so a good reminder to myself, Amina, do your toenails before wearing this, that's for sure. Right, so the next thing I picked up is this tripod stand, and this was only £4 from Primark. I thought I'd pick this up because I needed a new tripod, like a little mini tripod for my camera, my vlogging camera. I had the Gorilla tripod thingy-majing, but mine broke, unfortunately, so I had to get myself a new one, and I thought I'd just go for this one, the Primark one. Already, by all means, opened it up and tried it, and it's actually quite good. I thought it might not be so sturdy, but it's actually quite sturdy, so I'm quite happy with it so far. You can use it for like a phone or like a camera, so yeah, happy days, happy days. Only £4 too, so a lot cheaper than the Gorilla tripod, so it's a winner already. Next thing I picked up is this. This is a double-sided foundation and concealer brush. It looks like that. This was reduced from £1.50 to 50p. But the fact that this was only 50p, I was like, this is such a bargain. How can I just walk past it and ignore the fact that it's only 50p? So yeah, I definitely I just thought I'd pick it up because it's 50p, and like, you can never have enough brushes, am I right? Right, the next item is such a me item. If you guys know me, then you'll know this top is screaming my name right now. Like, this is just, it's just me in a top, okay? Basically, firstly, it's striped. Secondly, it's kind of cropped, so it looks so cute with like high-waisted jeans or whatever. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it's like so thin, so perfect for like spring, summer coming up. This was only £4 and I got it in a size 10. I don't know, I really like it. Maybe like some bright red lipstick and like some red theme going on with this. I think this will look cute. So it's just what I have in my mind, so let's hope I can like recreate it. I don't know, we shall soon see. Okay, so moving on, the next item, I got this shirt. I really wanted it in a size 10 or even an 8, but they didn't have any sizes. The smallest size they had was size 12, so I'm assuming this top was very popular and everyone went for it straight away. It's such a lovely shirt. I love the like detail on the bottom, like these pom-poms are so adorable. I love it, and I love the huge slouchy like pocket at the front, and I don't know, it's so cute and it's just so me. Like this is me in a top. Like, this is just me in a top. I love it. Yeah, again, this is kind of cropped, so I definitely wear it with like high-waisted jeans, and yeah, I like it. So yeah, I thought I'd pick one up, and I got this again size 12, but this was only a tenner, so happy days, happy days. So next item I got is a classic white long sleeve top. I thought this would look really cute with my skirt that I got, and it just looks like this. I believe it's like 3/4 arm as well. So yeah, it's just a basic stretchy long sleeve top. I don't know what else to say about it, but yeah. And this was, I believe, £3.50 from Primark, so yeah. Okay, so the next item I have for you guys might look a bit crazy, very much outside my comfort zone, but Adol picked it up for me and he was like, you need to buy this. So I said okay, and I thought I would, so I bought it. Okay, so basically this is a mustard top, very big and slouchy, long sleeves as well. I just love the sleeves. The sleeves are gorgeous, it's just stunning. And again, this is a bit different, a bit outside my comfort zone. I don't know how I feel about it, but Adol said I should pick it up and it would look cute, so I thought, you know what, I need more color in my wardrobe, so I picked it up and hopefully it goes well. Hopefully it looks cute. I don't know, we shall soon see. But the color is it's pretty brave, so fingers crossed I can pull it off. Right, so the last thing I got are a lot of these naked nibbles. I just want to give a massive shout out to my friend Faima. I know you're watching this video, so I thought I'd give you a shout out. And basically, she's the one who told me, oh my god, you really need to head to Primark and get yourself the naked nibbles, because she knows how much I'm obsessed with these. I literally have these in my bag like every single day. So yeah, I've always had these in my bag, and they are like 70p up to like £1, so they are inexpensive. But she said to me, definitely go ahead to Primark and get some, because they were reduced to 30p. So I have so much of these in my bag right now. I picked up a ton because they're 30p and they're not even expired or nothing, so I was like, this is perfect. So I picked up loads. Actually, that wasn't the last item. The last item is actually the one I'm wearing right now. This is basically a long sleeves jumper. It's very long, it's like comes way underneath my bum, and it's just black and it's just slouchy and it's cool and it's just chilled. I got this again from Primark, but this was reduced down from £8 to £3, so I was like, what the hell, it's only £3 for a jumper. And I love the fact that it's very long, so it comes like way underneath your bum, so this would be like perfect for like gym or like just running errands, and I don't know, I like it, so I thought I'd pick it up, and it's only like £3, so I mean, like, how can I say no? So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up. And let me know down below which item from this haul was your favorite, because I want to know, so, you know, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.